Hi guys, I'm Chanaka. This video is about how to use Dockerized development environment for Orange HRM, and I'm going to do a demo by installing Orange HRM Eagle Core with this Dockerized development environment. So let's see how to use that. So first go to our GitHub repository of Orange HRM. So you can go there by just typing github.com/orangehrm in your URL bar. Okay, we can see several images are there. You should use this repository Orange HRM dev environment. So go inside and you can find a readme file. So read this carefully. There are some prerequisites that you should that is there in your local host machine. So one is Docker engine should be installed, and minimum Docker version, minimum Docker compose file, and there's a special thing that ports 80 and 443 should be disabled in your host machine if they are used by your local host Apache server or something else, right? So if you want to use these ports from your local host, and you can do that, just follow in this wiki page, follow this guide, right? How to use both localhost and Docker environment at the same time. Okay, we have given an example to how to do that. Okay, let's see how to set up. So go to the releases and download the latest release. Now we have a beta version, so you can download it. Okay, so you can extract, download a zip file anywhere you want. So I am going to extract it in my desktop. Extract here. Okay, so inside there you can see 3 folders: config, logs, and Orange HRM dev. So config folder contains all the configuration files for Apache 2, for MySQL client, for MySQL server, and for PHP 5. If you want to change them, you can go there and change them. And logs folder will contain the log files for each container, right? In Ubuntu container, we can find Apache 2 logs and other things, right? apt logs, those things. And MySQL container, same, right? PHP MyAdmin container. And this folder, Orange HRM dev, this is the directory that you should do your development, right? Your system should be in here. This is the web root directory for the container, not for the host machine. For the container, this is the web root. Okay, and okay, let's go to the directory, extracted directory from terminal, cd Orange HRM. Let's see what is my directory ls. Okay, this is my directory, Orange HRM dev environment 1.0 beta 0 Orange HRM environment. Okay, so you can see Docker compose YML is there. So to up the containers, you can run docker compose mysd -d. Okay, it will create the 3 containers. So when you run this, if the images are not there in your local, then it will download, and after downloading it will run. So in this case, I have the relevant images in my local machine. You can see, I'll show it you, log images, and these are the relevant images: Orange HRM dev image, and PHP MyAdmin image, and MySQL. That is why it was not downloaded, right? So you can check whether the 3 containers are up and running. So docker, just type docker ps. Yes, we got 3 containers, right? So status is up. So dev web container, dev PHP MyAdmin container, dev MySQL container. Dev web container is the one where we have installed PHP and Apache. That is Ubuntu container, Ubuntu 14.04 container. And then Dev MySQL is the MySQL server, and the PHP MyAdmin is the PHP MyAdmin application for the MySQL server. So let's download, get a checkout for Orange HRM Eagle Core. So let's go into the OHRM Dev. So I told you that this is the directory that you should do your development. So I get checkout to here, SCN checkout. Give me a second. Okay. It takes time. So while it is downloading, I'll show you the Docker image in our Docker Hub. So you can find the Docker image in the Docker Hub. Go to the dockerhub.com and just search for Orange HRM. So you can find the Orange HRM dev image here, Orange HRM dev image. Okay, here we have the image, the Ubuntu image that I was talking about. So here also you can use this image also independently without your Docker Compose file, because our Docker Compose file. So in here you can see what are the available software tools inside this image: Apache, PHP, Node.js, NPM, NodeMod, Babel, Gulp, PHP, and also some third-party softwares are there, right? And you can find our GitHub repository for this image from this link. Okay, and our Orange HRM dev environment is linked with the Travis CI. You can see the build details from Travis as well. Just click on this batch. Still downloading, and yes, you can see the past test cases for containers, and about all the things about build details are here, so you can refer them if you want. Okay, and still downloading. I'll show you our Docker Compose YAML file. So in this YAML file, I'll tell you something that under DB key you can find something environment MySQL root password for 1234. So 1234 is the root password for the MySQL server, so you can check it, right? So I have told we can access to our PHP MyAdmin by localhost 9090. Have it, and just type as the username root and 1234. Yes, it's working, right? So it's still downloading. Yes. if you want to change the default configurations, you can change it from this Docker compose YML file. So we have given instructions in our wiki page as well as in the GitHub readme file. So read them carefully and you can find how to change these configurations. If you, as an example, if you want to change your development directory, you can change it from here, right? Orange HRM dev, replace them this directory, whatever you want, right? So, and if you want to change the port, you can change it by like this. So once you change, you have to restart the that containers again, right? Oh, it's still downloading. Yes. Okay, I have downloaded it. You can see ls, we have Eagle Core here. cd Eagle Core. Okay, let's see how to install this. So to install, so before install, I'm going to create a virtual host for this setup, so for this Eagle Core system. So to do that, open your etc hosts file in your local host, right? So I'm going to use gedit etc hosts. Okay, so at the line 127.0.0.1 type your folder name, right? In my case, my folder name is Eagle Core. Okay, so I add that Eagle Core. Okay, that's it. Now close it. Now okay, now continue the installation, right? The usual installation. So for localhost, I'm going to access that https hash. So our virtual host Eagle Core, right? Yeah, it's working. So next, I accept and change the database host name as db, right? Then root password 1234. Okay, and next. Yes, we have to give the permission for these folders. So you can go inside the container by typing docker exec my-it, the container name or id. So I give the container name, dev web is my container name, and bash. Okay, now I am inside the container, right? So I go to the directory, web root directory. So you can see our application is there. So the Eagle Core, and I'm going to give the permissions 777 for everything, right? Okay, let's try. We check it. Yeah, it's fine. Go next. Your password admin. Next, install. Right. So if you need to more information about how to create these virtual hosts, you can find them in our wiki page for Orange HRM Dev Environment repository. Go to the repository and go to the wiki tab, so you can find how to create virtual hosts, right? And follow this guide if you need. So it will take a bit time. Yes, next, finish. Yes, we have it. So to have the graphical view, you should install the plugins and publish assets as well. So I'm going to install them. cd installer slash install plugins.sh. I give the root password 1234. Alright. Okay. Yes, we have done, right? Yes, actually, you can follow the same usual steps for Orange HRM installation, right? So first go to the Symfony folder and install Doctrine. Just run the command php Symfony Doctrine build models, and then php Symfony Orange HRM publish assets, and then go to the web client folder, web client directory, and run the command npm install. After that, you should run bower install. And one thing to mention, when you run the bower install, give the flag with the bower install dash allow dash root, right? So that flag should be there, because bower is not allowed to run in under root privileges. So, and then after that, you should run the gulp inject. So I will show you. So this will take time. So after the installation is completed, go to the URL for the browser, https eagle.co, and you will see this output, and logged in by giving the given username as password. I gave admin. So you can see the databases from the PHP MyAdmin. Orange HRM MySQL is there. So then yes, this is the final output. So it's working properly. Go to job titles. Yes, currently there is no records. So this is about it. This is how you should install Orange HRM inside the Docker containers and how to use it. So thank you.